Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today, our video topic is how to make best weight loss drinks at home. Before starting, I want to say, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a small size cucumber. Cut it into small pieces. Keep it in a clean bowl. Now, take a lemon. Cut it into small pieces. Keep it in a small bowl. Take a clean blender. Keep it on a blender. Now, blend it. After finishing blending, strain it. At last, add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Now, mix it well properly. Ready for drink. Now, drink it daily 2 times, morning and evening for better results. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.